In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a line break in your cells using your Google Sheets mobile app. So I have my mobile app open right now, and this is my data. And if I want to insert a line break in between the values that are found in my cell, here's how to do it. So let me just zoom in. We have my headers right here. We have the region, salesperson, product, total cost, sales, and commission. Now, for some of these headers, we have 2 words per cell, and that's going to be for my headers in column B and column D. So for the first one right here, we have salesperson. Now, for example, we want to put the word person in a second line. What we're going to do is to tap on our formula bar right here where we can edit our text. And what I'm going to do is to just remove the word person, then tap and hold on that formula bar until you see these options. So the first one from those options would be to insert line break. And if I tap on that, there you have it. It has moved us to our second line where we can put in our second text. So that's going to be salesperson. And there you have it. Once you're done putting in your second text, you can just tap on this check mark on the right side. And there you have it. We've successfully inserted that line break, which separates our 2 texts within that cell. Let's try that again with our column D, where we have our header, which is the total cost. Again, tap on the formula bar at the bottom to be able to edit your text. So we have our line break option right there. There we go. And now I can just insert line break, and there you have it. So once that second text is selected, you can just move the selection back to the middle and then tap and hold, then insert the line break in between. And there you have it. So now I'm going to tap on the check mark again on the right side. And that's how we can insert a line break within our cell to separate the text within. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.